This is not Meg the cat. Few weeks ago, I noticed something is different about my cat. She was restless, a little aggressive, and she likes to purr on my like this. So Meg is now in heat. Being a responsible pet owner, I decided to spay my cat. I have my cat spayed. I have my cat spayed. This is TL. He was been neutered for around 5 years now. Look at him. So big. Woo.
So fluffy.
So fluffy.
Look, my baby Moa.
This is Moa. We found her in Moa, Mall of Asia. A little aggressive, though she was paid. I don't know why, but look. She. Do you hate me?
Hey,
Do you hate me?
be careful. This is Tommy.
This is Loki.
This is Tommy.
Another neutered cat. Look, no balls. So big, right? Yeah, so big. We're on our way to the clinic, and here's my sister. And Meg is driving. Meg, I don't know if you can see. Why spaying your cats matter? Well, personally, I have 3 reasons why I opted to get my cat spayed. Number 1, it's economical. Why?
It's like using a condom when you have sex. You'll never get kids.
Yes, spaying your cats will prevent her forever for having little kittens. we already have 9 cats.
16.
We already have 16 cats, and if we add 1 or about 3 cats, it is financially dragging us down, right? Number 2 reasons, for health reasons. Did you know that spayed or neutered cats have longer lifespans? Alam mo ba yon?
Pinuputol po namin ang itong magandang barok kasi meron pong aksidente ang naganap dito sa nandito po kami sa may saging. Ay po, tumaob siya. Bakit siya tumaob?
Siya din mabay. Ay, naputol si Kuya.
Ay, naputol yung gulong niya sa likod. Third reason, for behavior. Spayed cats are more tamed than those that are not because they don't have the cyclical heat. Ayun, so sadly, I've been shooting and recording at not 1080p. So, good luck na lang sa quality ng mga una kong video. Ayun, so we just heard the news. The operation is a complete success.
Sabihin mo sa nanay mo. Sabihin mo sa nanay mo.
And we're going to fetch our cat. So after 6 hours, kasama na po natin si Meg. So, we're off. We're going home na. So, thank you. Hi, mag-hi ka naman.
Motherfuckers!
So, if you enjoyed my video, you can
Please hit like and subscribe.
the face over here. Over my, dito, here. And see you on the next video. Bye!